So today I would like to talk about a topic. I think that we're always talking about the healthy lighting, but I think I would like to say that if we cannot verify it on site, I think that we cannot say and claim it. So I think I would like to use this topic, the field-based evaluation, which I think that we have many new agendas about the quality of light. So the problem today we have in the space, we design the light, but actually we just measure the products. But the people, what they exactly feel from the light is they live in the space and feel the light in the space. The data sheet describe the equipment, but not really deliver the stimulus at the eye, especially the vertical eye level. And the human-centered lighting or integrated lighting, how you call it, healthy lighting, it's been debating in the past few years. It's really been because of a delivery language is really missing. So the single point, pass or fail, really hides the glare and missing the face light and really the contrast issues in the space. So the space, they exactly rewrite the light. So we need to stop judging the light by only one point. We have some mapping patterns about glare sources, missing face light, contrast distribution. So the reflections, the geometry, the daylight, and the scenes reshape what people really receive in the space. So the most important target is the vertical exposure at the representative eye positions. So I think it's really the how space rewrite the light. And also beyond the space, also the times rewrite the dose. Dose is a profile, not a number. So we see many people, many companies, they're talking about the human-centered lighting. They're talking about the circadian lighting design, but they're only talking about the CCT. They're only talking about the tunable white. Actually, it's not good enough. For the circadian rhythm support, it's including together with the intensity and the spectrum and also the duration. So the real intervention is the daylight variability and also the controls and behaviors. So the circadian curves on the specific the data sheet is not the field delivery, it's totally different. So the verified exposure across the day parts and the scenes at the eye, especially, I think it's really only how we can to support the circadian lighting. So we need to make the light real. So in the lighting design, I think we need to reconsider, put all together the light together with the people individually. Different people, they have a different characteristic, different situation, need to be concerned. And the space, what the space looks like, how the reflection, everything need to be all considered. And also the time frame. In the daytime, we need a brighter and higher stimulation. And the nighttime, we really should protect the generation of the circadian. And also the activities. So I think that we need to define the delivered stimulus, not just the fixtures output. So we need to use the representative eye positions across the task, the scenes, the day parts. So we need to turn the standards into the workflows and the evidence packs. So how we define the field-based evaluation is delivers stimulus at the eye level in the context. So we need to build a traceable workflow, including the instrument, the metadata, the repeatability, and also the sampling plan, including the positions, the postures, the task, the day parts, and the scenes. And the report uncertainty plus the key keep the raw data and also the shareable evidence pack. So there's the 3 layers we need to verify. The first of all, I think, is the visual integrated, including the task and the eye metrics, the luminance balance, the glare risk, the color quality, like a TM30, the melanopic dose, including the vertical vertical MDI, and MEDER, this SPD, and the day part profiles, and the population aware targets, and also the experience coherence, including the transitions, the data UV, DUV, the CCT, and so many different quality of the light issues need to be consistent, the experience coherence. And also at the end, the deliverable need to be verified and delivered. So we build up some the workflow with many partners. We need to build a plan and how to measure it, the diagnose, and also the design, verify, monitor the whole process to meet. And also we need to have a minimum verifiable delivery about the positions, about the postures, the tasks, the scenes, the schedules, the day parts, the matrix, the uncertainty, and also the raw data, the evidence base. At the end, we need to define also the acceptance criteria, and so the commission triggers, and to really that into the system. So this is some users case that we just announced. Work together, partner with the former Osram professional lighting, Jackson at the LM's level, and also we will also work together with Dallas to build up some building management system scale. Today, I think even so many sensors they're talking about the daytime harvest, but it's only the talking about the illuminance, but it's not really good enough. If we want to support the circadian, we do need to have the MEDI value, and also we need to talk about more quality of light agendas, also the frequency management in the space, but not only on the equipment level. We need to collect more and more valuable metrics from the space and put together with the spatial modulation, and also consider the human degrees, and put all together to build up a really verifiable system, can really have the evidence base to prove the light is really healthy compared to the old days lighting system. So I think this is basically, I think there would be the opportunity also for the next generation of the lighting. Thank you.